In this video, we'll show you how to integrate your XTEN-AV account with HubSpot. Start by logging into your XTEN-AV account and selecting Settings from the profile icon menu at the top right. Navigate to the Integrations tab, where you'll find HubSpot is listed. Click Connect with HubSpot to be redirected to the HubSpot login page. Enter your account details there. Choose Account, and you'll be asked to grant XTEN-AV access to your HubSpot information. Click Connect App to proceed. Back in XTEN-AV, you'll now see a connected status next to HubSpot, indicating a successful integration. Moreover, you can seamlessly transfer data such as accounts, contacts, and deals or projects between your XTEN-AV and HubSpot accounts. Let's start by pulling the accounts data from HubSpot by clicking the Pull Accounts button on your XTEN-AV account. Select the accounts you want to pull and hit Submit. Then, click the Sync Account button. You can view these accounts by selecting All Account under Accounts and Contacts. If you make any changes to HubSpot accounts, you can update them in XTEN-AV by clicking on the Pull from HubSpot button under the Sync tab. Select the accounts to update. And click Sync to pull in your changes. To push your XTEN-AV accounts to HubSpot, return to the integration page and click the Push Accounts button under the Accounts option. Select the accounts and click Submit. Then click the Sync Accounts button. Navigate to the Companies section in HubSpot to view the pushed accounts. Repeat this process for contacts, using the Pull and Push buttons and syncing each time. Moving on to Deals and Projects. Click Pull Deals to import your HubSpot deals. Choose the deals you want to pull and hit the Submit button. Then, click on the Sync Deals button. You can view these deals by selecting All Projects under the Projects menu. If you update your HubSpot deals, you can sync these changes to XTEN-AV by clicking the Pull from HubSpot button under the Sync tab. Select the deals you want to sync and click the Sync button to pull in your changes. Next, let's explore the process of pushing your XTEN-AV projects to HubSpot. Select the project to begin with. Click Add Design under the Actions button. Fill in the basic details, choose a template, and click Create Design. Edit it as needed until you're satisfied with the result. Return to the Projects page and click the Push Changes to HubSpot button under Project Settings. Select the design you want to push. You can customize the files and formats to push to your HubSpot account. Then click Save and Continue. Now, let's check if the project has been pushed successfully. Navigate to your HubSpot account and go to the Deals section. You should now see the project you pushed. Additionally, you can view all the documents associated with the project under the attachments. Thank you for watching. For more, log on to XTEN-AV.com.